Okay, happy weekend, guys. Happy Cinco de Mayo. We're going to go out and have a margarita or nine tonight. And hope you are too, though I don't want to encourage excessive drinking. But I want to talk today about Shopify, and here's why. The company reported earnings. You can see that, right? Now, lately, breakouts have actually been working. It wasn't too long ago that every single stock that broke out just enough to suck you in and then spit you out. Every single one, it seemed like. Breakouts were just not working. And so now they are. And that gives us a good feel for the market and the change in tone of the market. Hey, by the way, while I'm thinking about it, speaking of change in tone, there's a change in let's say a changing of the guard at Option Market Mentor. If you're not a member of Option Market Mentor, and maybe you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor either, whatever, I'm teaching a course on Tuesday night on options, specifically how to use Bollinger Bands and implied volatility to make the right trade at the right time. This is the first course that I've taught in a while because I've been just busy with other areas of our business. But I'm back to doing courses, and this is $1,000 course, actually $997. So you can watch it, you can get it at any time. However, I'm making it free as just a part of membership for Option Market Mentor members, but that actually expires tonight. We've been pushing this, not pushing it, but we've been talking about this with our existing members. It's really only supposed to be for our existing Option Market Mentor members and some Stock Market Mentors members who are coming over. And so we've been kind of keeping it small, but I just decided about 30 seconds ago that I would just mention it in this free chart video too. So if you are interested in Bollinger Bands and implied volatility, if you are interested in trading options at all, you get a 2-week trial with Option Market Mentor. So sign up for Option Market Mentor, get my webinar, hoodwink me. Even if you have no intention of being an options trader and you don't want me to know about it, go ahead and sign up for the trial. And then as soon as the webinar is over, cancel, get your $7 back. Nobody's the wiser. But I want you to be there, okay? Because I'm still working. I'll be working on it all weekend. This is going to be a good course and you need it, okay? And think about it this way. If you're trading options and you don't take that course, the next time you make a bonehead move in your options trading, are you going to wind up thinking, I wonder if I had taken Dan's course, if I'd have made this trade a little differently. Anyway, just a thought. Okay, let me finish up here. So now we've got these breakouts working. That's a good thing. We see them, for crying out loud. We see them on Microsoft. That's working. Meta kept working for a while. Now it's pulling back and we like this. But the point is, you didn't get these massive moves, these massive reversal moves. You're getting Apple, same thing, a big move up here, and then it kept going all day long. And see, this is different than we've had in the past for a while now. And so I'm looking at this, and this is meaningful to me. And so what my suggestion is you start to turn your bearish thinking around and start looking at things in more of a bullish way, because we actually are in a bull market. At least it's my version of a bull market. Where's the 200-day moving average? It's down on the bottom. Where's the 50-day moving average? Well, it's up higher. Where's the price? Well, it's up higher than this. To me, that's what bull markets are all about. We're not talking about quick little crossovers. We're talking about a consistent condition that has been in occurrence or in effect for over 3 months, where the 50 is above the 200, and we finally got a downtrending 200 actually turning into an uptrending 200. So we are in a bull market. You're just not hearing too many people talk about it yet because we still haven't cleared this magical 4,200 level. But you know, what are we? $64 away from that, or 64 points away from that. And once we get above there, you're going to hear everybody start talking about the bull market. And you're going to say, well, I heard Fitzpatrick talk about this in early May. So anyway, that's all I got for you. I hope you are trading well, and that I see you next Tuesday at Option Market Mentor.